If you work as a developer, you've probably experienced opening a pull request and waiting a long time for it to be reviewed, right? And when it finally gets reviewed, it gets a lot of comments that you no longer have context for. And this makes you waste time individually as a developer, but also we've seen that you ship much slower as a team. With Pullpo, every time you create a pull request in GitHub, GitLab, or BitBucket, you have the option to create a temporal Slack channel to collaborate faster on that pull request. This Slack channel has three main features. First, it generates an AI summary and initial review to save time and get faster into the context of the pull request. And as you can see, this message is sent on to the Slack channel, but also in the Git provider you use. And this is because the channel and the Git provider are always in sync. Here are four examples. If you create a code comment in GitHub, it will get back to Slack, and you can reply directly in Slack, and it will go to GitHub. If you add someone to the channel, it will be added as a reviewer. If you can approve the pull request directly from Slack. And if the pull request gets merged, the channel disappears, it gets archived. As you can see, every single feature is in sync. And this also means that you can also use Pullpo individually, even if your teammates don't use it yet. And the third feature is that you can see in Pullpo's dashboard how your team or different teams are improving over time and set objectives and get reminders and custom notifications in your pull request channel or even in your team channel with dynamic pull request status messages, for example. All of this so that no pull request gets stale ever again.